Hey loves, it's Mahogany. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing a beautiful soft glam makeup look and ditching the neutral eyeshadow. This look is perfect if you love clean skin but want to add a pop of color. If you'd like to see how I achieve this look, please keep watching. Today, we're going to be applying our Illuminator beneath our foundation to ensure a skin-like glow. The Smashbox primer is applied to create a smooth canvas for the foundation. The True Portrait Foundation has quickly become one of my favorite foundations. It gives great coverage and a flawless finish. Moving on to concealer. Today, I'm using the trusted Too Faced concealer in the shade Tan. I let my concealer sit for a few seconds before blending. This allows the concealer to get a little bit tacky and blend out nicely. Now that the concealer is applied, I'm going to use a drop of foundation to marry both the foundation and concealer. For brows, I'm going to go in with the ABH Dipbrow in the shade Chocolate. I'm going to use hair-like strokes until I get the shape that I want. Then I'm going to set my brows using the ABH Brow Gel, also in the shade Chocolate. Before setting my face with powder, I'm going to go in with a little bit of concealer by NARS to brighten up my under eye. To lock in my concealer, I'm going to use a powder puff to press my Dermablend loose setting powder into the skin. Then I'm going to use whatever's left on the puff to set the rest of my face. Next, I like to apply a little highlighting product beneath my final finishing powders. This technique is perfect if you want your skin to glow naturally when the makeup application is complete. Next, I use the La Mercier setting powder to bake a little bit while applying the rest of the makeup. Okay loves, let's play in some color. Using a medium blending brush, we're going to use this beautiful Dusty Rose shade in the crease. Then we're going to use a flat eyeshadow brush to apply this beautiful matte pink shadow on the lid. Using that same flat eyeshadow brush, I gently press this beautiful red glittered shadow on top of the lid until I have the desired intensity. Using a pencil brush, I smoke out the outer corner of the crease using the deeper plum shade in the palette. I decided to go back into the glitter shadow, applying it to my lid and waterline. Okay, I think I can live with this look. To blend my eyelashes and the falsies, I'm going to be using one of my favorite NARS mascaras. This repeated step is not necessary unless you have a lot of fallout or you just want to brighten up your under eye area. To bronze, I'm going to use a really fluffy brush to apply my Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Cocoa Naughty. Using a tiny blending brush, I lightly contour my nose using the same Fenty Beauty bronzer. For blush, I use a fluffy angled brush to blend the Fenty Beauty highlighters into my bronzer. Moving on to lips. I'm going to be lining my lips with this brown lip pencil that I got from the beauty supply. I'm not sure what color it is, but I believe I got it from the beauty supply. Next, I'm going to be using the NARS Velvet Lip Pencil in the shade Walkery. This is one of my favorite go-to lippies. I'm finishing off the lips with the NARS lip gloss in the shade No Regrets. Next, I use my Kat Von D powder foundation to dust away any residual powder and to blend any harsh lines. This technique gives a beautiful, seamless finish. I decided to open up my eyes a little bit by applying the fairly pink glittered shade to the inner corners of my eyes. To finish this look, I'm going to be drenching my face in the NYX Matte Finishing Spray. And this completes the look, loves. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Something with a little bit of color, but wearable. If you really like this look and want to see more tutorials, please comment below. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate you. I'll see you in the next video.